YouTube. I'm the ultimate hacker. Now, right now I'm kind of exporting the previous part of this series, but I thought I'd make the video right now, because I really can't wait, and I bet you guys can't. So I'll upload this tomorrow or today, Saturday. Right now, while recording this, it's Friday, December 11th or 12th. But when you're watching this, it's either same date or Saturday, December 13th. Depends on how fast this guy in the background gets exported, edited, and uploaded. So, in the previous video that was uploaded today or yesterday, oh my god, this is confusing. The previous video we worked on saving and loading OWD documents in our new text editor. So today, as I said in the previous video, we'll be working on the change font, change text color, and alignment features to get basic RTF processing. So the new items you'll need is a font dialog and a color dialog. This is all we're going to be working with, so we can find those in the same spot we found the save dialog and open dialog. And if you don't know, that was under dialogs. So those are all the dialogs we need. So this is going to be a small one, so if we can fit more in, then awesome. So, I believe I'm still running it. Hopefully I'm not. Doesn't seem like it. Oh. We'll look at the old... Yeah, I'm not running it. Don't worry. So... double click on this, and for change font, it's as easy as if font dialog 1.show dialog. Now you may remember this from saving and opening. It's pretty much the same thing. We're checking if the dialog result is okay. And if it's okay, we're saying okay. Written text box 1 dot selection font equals font dialog 1.font. Now the difference between this and selection font and font is with Notepad, when you use the font changer, you're changing the entire font of the text document. It's pretty much for looks, and there's no way of basically skipping that. And I'm still sick, unfortunately, so yeah, there's no way of skipping that in Notepad, because it uses written text box 1 or whatever Microsoft decided to name it dot font if it was in VB. And that's why you can only use one font for the entire document, because it's a text editor, not a written text editor. But the difference between that and this is that selection font would act like your Word or your WordPad or your Open Office Writer or stuff like that would act, or even Orcwrite. It would, because it would change the selection to the font you chose rather than changing the entire rich text box font. And the reason we do this is, even if there's nothing actually selected, the little flashing vertical line here counts as a selection. So if we change our font, because we already go to this, so say I was going to change it to this, italic bold, and say I wanted at 24, you can see that although this little flashing line hasn't changed if we type, you'll see that it says hello there. And if we want, we can change the font again to maybe a regular with 48. You see that hello doesn't change. Oh god. Oops. That wasn't really a font I was looking at. We'll go for Need for Speed. Why not? As you can see, our fonts are different, and like I said, even the flashing line counts as a selection. That's why selection font is used to achieve both effects of being able to change the default font that you're using for typing, so that, or to change selection font, for example, clicking change font and that and changing it, which also does work. As seen right there. So that's change font done. Now let's get on to change text color. This is where we start using the color dialog. Now, once again, we're doing the exact same if statement, but with color dialog instead of font dialog. So hopefully by now you're used to this whole if dialog name.show dialog use dialog result.ok. Hopefully you're used to that, because we'll be using it a lot, trust me. So if color dialog one.show dialog equals dialog result okay, then rich text box one.select color equals color dialog one.color. That's the color done, and selection color is the same thing as selection font, so we can change this to 16. I'm typing in gray. And we can change the color to I'm typing wrong. I cannot see red on green, or whatever the color is on here. So as you can see, we now have font and color. Now, in Orcrate 1.0, which a link to it will be in the description to a Dropbox download. Don't worry, it's free. Basically, we'd have only our file and our edit and stuff like that, with the change font, change text, color, and alignment. It's basically the next bit of code we have done, or we will be doing, will basically create the three main aspects of Orcrate 1.0. So let's get to it. So for left, it's always left. So for left, it's rich text box one.selection. I cannot type. Equals, oops, horizontal alignment dot So if you want, you can copy this. And just we'll be doing the same exact code, but instead of left for center, we'll be doing center, and same thing for right. It's right, center. Right. And there's Warcraft 1.0, excluding the edit controls and the, yeah. So all these still do nothing. Actually, how much time do we have on our hands? Yeah, I suppose we could do a few more lines of code. Why not? So, now we'll work on our cut, copy, and paste. So for cut, it's as easy as rich text box 1.cut. For copy, it's rich text box 1.copy. And for paste, oh, you guessed it, it's rich text box 1.paste. There's cut, copy, and paste. And there's build errors, so let's debug this. Oh, I see what I did there. Forgot the 1. Silly me. There we go. Now we're doing good. So, let's cover what we've done. We've done fonts. We've done text color. We've done copying. Or we've done alignment. So, center, right, left. We've done cut. We've done paste. We've done copy, paste. So those were the features we created. I've been, well, do I really want to end this? That's glad I do, but don't, because I love making videos. Because little thing hid over here. Go away, OBS. I'm not using it right now. I freaking swear that I did not click maximize. There we go. Fixed. Yes, recorder I can see. So, I gotta end this really quick. I've been the Ultimate Hacker. Hope to see you in the next video and on the forum. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and show your feedback. And I hope you learned something new in this, because it's a lot of fun making. I'll see you guys in the next video. This time I actually didn't cut